Pollinator-Friendly Gardening Tips Part 5. Yarrow. Yarrow has a long history of medicinal use, with Native American tribes using it to treat a variety of ailments. The plant's flowers are also edible and can be used to make tea or added to salads. With its ability to thrive in dry conditions and provide valuable food for pollinators, yarrow is a great addition to any pollinator-friendly garden. Asters. Asters are named after the Greek word for star, and their flowers can come in a variety of colors, including purple, pink, and white. Did you know that the seeds of asters are also a favorite food of goldfinches? By planting asters, you can support these wonderful birds too. Asters are a fall-blooming perennial that produce an abundance of daisy-like flowers that attract bees and other pollinators. By planting asters in your garden, you are not only adding a beautiful burst of color in the fall, but also providing an important food source for pollinators as they prepare for winter. So, add some asters to your garden today and enjoy the beauty and benefits they bring. Oregano. Oregano's purple flowers not only attract pollinators, but they can also be used to make a tasty and aromatic tea. The plant is also known for its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Adding this herb to your garden not only adds a wonderful aroma and flavor to your dishes, but also attracts and supports important pollinators. Fennel. Fennel is a herb that grows up to 6 feet tall and produces clusters of small yellow flowers that bloom in the summer. It is a favorite of swallowtail butterflies who lay their eggs on the plant, and its nectar is also a valuable food source for bees. Fennel also adds a delicious flavor to your meals, so you are also providing a tasty herb for your own kitchen. Goldenrod. Goldenrod is a hardy perennial that blooms in late summer and produces bright yellow flowers that are attractive to bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. Its nectar is an important source of food for pollinators as they prepare for the winter. Contrary to popular belief, goldenrod is not a major cause of hay fever, as its pollen is too heavy to be carried by the wind. In fact, goldenrod is a valuable source of nectar for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. Additionally, goldenrod has some medicinal properties, as it has been traditionally used by the Native Americans for wound healing and other purposes. So, not only is it beneficial for pollinators, but also for human health. Let's all do our part to support our buzzing friends. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what you are doing this year to support the pollinators.